Here I'm going to show you how to set up the Loggia Sun Canopy. The canopy we're going to be putting up is the 300, but it's exactly the same for the 400. In the pack you'll get the canvas, your carbon frame, which consists of 3 leg poles and 1 roof pole, your fix-on bracket for your roof pole, guy ropes and pegs. So the first thing you need to do, slide the canvas into position. Get into the rail, you can decide where you want it to go. Then you need to attach your fix-on bracket, and that will go along the main centre seam. You may need to use your caravan step for that, but now that's attached, now you can start with the framework. I'm going to start with a centre leg and centre roof pole. So the roof pole will have a hook at one end, which will go into your fix-on bracket, and what we call the tectum, and that is just going to click into place when you extend it up. Hook into your fix-on bracket, get your centre leg, pop that through the eyelet, and now extend the roof pole, clicking it into the tectum coupling. And if you put quite a bit of tension into that, and your canopy should be standing so you can carry on with the rest of the framework. So then we move on to the next leg pole. This is where it's slightly different to our other canopies. You grab 2 guy ropes. And what you want to be able to create is a loop. So if you grab 2 of the guy ropes, pop them both through the D-ring, and then they're going to slide over the pole, and then you pop your pole through the eyelet on the canopy. Slightly extend the leg, and you can loosely pop the guy ropes into place. And what you're going to try and do, as you've got the 2, you can take one out the front and one out the side to ensure you get maximum tension onto the canopy. That's just loosely done at the moment. And we move on to the next side. And we're going to be doing exactly the same. Same again with the guy ropes, 2 loops. Before tensioning all the legs, 1 final guy rope in the middle. And now you can extend the legs. And what you want to do, as we've done here, you want to slightly angle the legs in. Extend the legs to the height you require. And there you have the Loggia Sun Canopy.